Greater Mankato Area United Way is here to help people in need. We connect organizations to succeed. By funding quality programs and building partnerships, we help nonprofits to work together and become stronger.
One of the most powerful aspects of United Way is the fact that we have over 300 volunteers who come together every year to help us raise the dollars, but also to help us make the funding decisions in which programs we're going to invest in our community. And one of those programs is a Books for Kids program. We know that what we can do with children before they're 3 and before they enter school has such a significant impact. It was really clear to us that we needed to start a book program to get books into kids' homes.
We get a variety of kindergartners. Some kids might come here already reading. Some kids, may still be learning letters and sounds. If they have a really rich environment at home of, lots of books in their home, or if they're being read to, that definitely helps.
It's amazing how quickly they go from us doing the reading to them reading at least some of the words.
We started the Books for Kids program 15 years ago, and every month through the Books for Kids we send an age-appropriate book right to a child's home along with some parenting information.
I think that's what stands out the most is when we go to our mailbox and they see their name on it, to see the excitement on his face. He immediately wants to read it too, on the couch right away.
I think it does show a commitment to our community and our children and families that may not otherwise have access to these books. I think that this is a really good way to get books in the hands of kids.
And so 15 years later, our Books for Kids program has sent over 500,000 books to families in our area. And we couldn't do that without the partnerships that United Way has in the community. And at the end of the day, I think the Books for Kids program is an example of how United Way is opening the doors for all kids to have an opportunity to succeed in school and life. Another way United Way addresses needs in our community is by opening doors to healthcare. United Way invests in Open Door Health Center to provide access to healthcare to uninsured and underinsured people in the greater Mankato area.
Some of the patients that we serve have multiple complex needs. So we offer a full scope of services in primary medical, dental, and behavioral health.
We wouldn't be able to operate if we didn't have dollars coming from so many sources. And here at Open Door we have a sliding fee discount. Every dollar that the community brings in to support that person's care helps one more person get services that they otherwise wouldn't be able to afford.
I've been coming to Open Door for about 2 years now, and I've received services for dental and medical. I don't make a lot of money, so if I wasn't able to go to Open Door, I probably wouldn't be able to get any procedures done.
And we all know that if people don't seek care, those can then turn into more serious conditions that are much harder on the person down the road and much more costly.
There are few people who might say, I can't name somebody who has lost their job and subsequently their health insurance. And so we are seeing higher rates of uninsured patients. And so at a point when you're maybe at a really difficult time in your life, all of a sudden you don't have access to those services that you really need the most.
If you don't have the finances, you don't have to worry about not being seen. They'll always help you no matter what circumstance you're in. You feel very welcomed when you come here, and you're always welcome to come back.
As the 2013 Volunteer Campaign Chair, I am proud to lead the United Way campaign because I believe that giving to United Way is one of the best ways that I can have an impact on our community every day of the year. I am excited to announce that our campaign goal this year is $2 million. This achievement represents a significant milestone for our community. United Way is grateful for the generosity shown each year by businesses and individuals, but we must continue to challenge ourselves. One way to challenge yourself this year is to join the Rising Heart Club. A commitment to the Rising Heart Club means a gift of $5 per week this year and a commitment to grow that pledge by $1 per week for the next 5 years to reach the Heart Club. If you are not currently giving, will you consider giving just $1 per week, which will help a child get preventive dental care? What an amazing gift. Thank you for contributing and for doing your part in Living United.